Hey guys, Chef Garces here. Tomato sauce. Everyone should know how to make it. I'm gonna show you my way. I have a hot pan here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here. White onion, sliced garlic, kind of chopped. Just wanna kind of sweat it out. It's nice and like translucent. I have some crushed red chili flake, some plum tomatoes. I'm gonna sweat those down a little bit. And then I'm gonna add in our just whole Roma's canned tomatoes. Crush those a little bit. Just kind of let that all work together. Pour this right into our blender. Okay, right back into this pan. Mount a little bit of butter into that sauce. It makes it a little rich. Tear some fresh basil leaves in here. Take some of that sauce right on there. Guys, spicy tomato sauce, a little bit of fresh Parmesan, basil. Enjoy.